Hey friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to an unboxing video of 13th Hour. Now I put a poll out there for all of you guys to vote on, and this one came really close with the Wizard's Companion, so we'll do 13th Hour first, and then we'll go ahead and do Wizard's Companion. But this one is really, really nice. It's by Yumi, and I think that we're gonna have a lot of fun doing this one. So let's jump in and take a look at this canvas. Okay, and here we have it. Very, very nice, very beautiful. This one definitely has a story to it. It's telling me something. I'm just not entirely sure what yet, but I'll figure it out. But looking at this one, it's 25.6 inches by 35 inches, so a decent size, or 65 centimeters by 88.9 centimeters. There's 91 colors in this one. So apparently I like a lot of paintings that have a lot of colors to them because, oh my gosh, 91 colors is a lot. There are 3 ABs and 5 fairy dust diamonds on this one, with a total of 93,177 diamonds. So yeah, this is going to be very interesting. I think there's going to be a lot of confetti in this, but with the trays that we now have, I don't think it's going to be that much of an issue. But yeah, I really like it. Let me know in the comments down below, what story do you think this picture is telling you? Okay, so here we have the box and the canvas. Let's go ahead and get this opened up and take a look at it. All right, now, so every Diamond Art Club painting and canvas comes with this Diamond Art Toolkit. As you can see here, I've got this tray that is in here. There's a pen, there's a multi-placer, there's some baggies that are in here, and then there's some wax in here as well, which is very nice to have with every single one of your paintings. We also have this thank you for your purchase card, and in here we have our treasure quest card. Very nice. And then we have our sticker sheet that has all of our drills in it. If we look here, we can see where all of our drills are. Now this goes based off of the DMC color palette, so we have all of our DMC numbers that are over here. And then we get into these 6000s that are down here. The 6000s are specific to Diamond Art Club. They have created their own palette in order to get the best color rendition with the painting for the artist. Now this one actually has a lot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in here, which is the most I've ever seen. And then we have our ABs that are here. There are those 3 ABs, and then our fairy dust that are down here as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at this canvas here and see what we've got going on. Okay, now my desk is only so big, so we can only look at so much of this at once. However, look at this. Just the top part of this is actually really, really nice. And if I'm looking at this canvas, there's a lot of color blocking that is up here at the top. So this may not take very long to be able to do, but still, nonetheless, there's going to be a lot to do in this painting in itself. It's not nearly as big as the one that I've done recently, but it's still a pretty decent size painting. Now, when I look for some of these specialty drills that are on here, I'm not going to really go into the 6000s, but if we look at the fairy dust ones, there's not a whole lot of specialty drills that are going up here. I believe most of it is going to be down kind of toward the bottom. There's a tiny bit like right here, but it's kind of hard to see. But this, I mean, just like I said, the top part of this is really, really nice. I'm really liking this. I cannot wait to actually get this one done. It's going to be a little bit, but I like it. Now looking at the bottom half of this one, which is typically where I start. I usually start at the bottom and then work my way up. This is where a lot of the colors are, is down here. There's a lot of confetti, but it's confetti, but it's not confetti. And the reason why I say that is because it looks as though there's a lot of line blocking going through here. So coming up, when I say line blocking, it's a lot of lines of the same color. So coming up through here and up through here, a lot of that is going on down here on the desk area. There's a lot of line blocking in like this little bottle here. This is fantastic. This is going to be great. Now, looking at this, all of this white that is in here that you're seeing, all of that is our ABs. And then it looks as though I've got ABs here and Somewhere there's some more green AB on the Gs. It doesn't look as though there's a whole lot though. I'm going to be curious to see once we actually get into the drills itself. There's blue ABs down through here, but this is so colorful. It is so very colorful. Like I said, the 91 colors, the majority of that is going to be down here in the bottom of this, but this is great. This is absolutely fantastic. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the drills and see what we've got for this, because this, I don't know, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Okay, so here we have the color palette, 13th hour. Very, very beautiful. You can definitely tell there's a lot of colors that are in this one. So let's go ahead and break this open and look for our specialty drills. Now, the way the drills are arranged in here is actually by weight and not by color number. So you'll have all of your smaller ones that are going to be here in the center, the less amount ones that you have, and all of your larger ones will be here on the outside. Now, just to take a look at some of these, it's a very pretty purple right there, 3834, 414. So these are all really nice. There's a couple that I've been working through on my mystery kit that have actually been really good. Lighting is going to need to change here in order for us to see these. It's really just the angle, how I'm holding these things. So 3856, 400. That one is going to be the death of me. 37.99. Let's see, 300. God, there's a lot of that too. 741. This 3808, I actually really, really like this one. This is beautiful and what I'm working through on the mystery kit right now, so I really like that. Okay, so here's one of those specialty drills that I was telling you about. So 6032, it's just a different shade of brown compared to what the DMC number is itself. Not sure what the comparison is on this one, but still, it's a really nice brown color. Oh, here is a fairy dust, a yellow fairy dust. That is a lot of yellow fairy dust. Z743, very nice. That is really nice. Okay, this is all right, and that's a good amount too. And then here's another 60 or 6000 series, so 6034. Okay, it's like a purplish gray color. Nice. There's definitely some colors that have a lot. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at that. Z740. That is a really nice fairy dust orange. That I like a lot. That's going to be real nice when it gets placed down. Here's another 6000 series, 6001, a very pretty blue color. It's a gorgeous blue, actually. Not a whole lot of 310, that's good. All right, so here's a 6030. It's a darker brown, okay. Oh, okay, so here's a white AB, which, that's just nice. AB 5200, it's always pretty. Okay, AB blue, AB 996. Very nice, I like that. Okay, ooh, that is a nice fairy dust. Z3766. Oh, that's nice. I'm sad that there's not a whole lot more of that, but it works. Okay, 6021, a very nice gray color. Okay, here we go. AB 3819, very interesting green. So definitely not a lot of ABs, not a whole lot of specialty drills in itself except for that one fairy dust. Here's two more fairy dusts, Z959 and Z3706. Again, not a lot, but just enough to give it a decent amount of sparkle. I like that. Okay. 6011, a very pretty purple. I love that. There needs to be more of that in these paintings. And there you have it. There are the drills for 13th hour. Okay, and there you have it. That is the unboxing for 13th Hour. Very, very interesting painting. I've got so many that I just want to dive into and get done. It's really hard to figure out what's going to be next. But next is actually going to be magic hats, but that's coming later. But if you've made it to the end of the video and you've liked what you've seen, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified on when videos get uploaded. There's going to be a lot more unboxings coming. I still have a bunch in my stash that I haven't done yet. Let me know what you think I should do next with all of the haul videos that you've gone back and seen. That is the last that we have for this one today. So until next time, everyone, light a candle, pour a coffee, and let's keep crafting.